So Jamb 2011 past question, economics question number 6. A consumer surplus measures the option A says benefits derived from consuming a cheap commodity. Option B says excess of total expenditure over total utility. Option C says difference between marginal utility and marginal cost. Option D says excess of marginal utility over price. Consumer surplus refers to the difference between the amounts a consumer budgeted to pay for a particular commodity based on the expected level of satisfaction and the actual amounts okay he paid to have the commodity. Therefore consumer surplus is equals to consumer budget line minus total expenditure. Based on this, option D is our answer, which says excess of marginal utility over price. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.